Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you guys how to make the sticky rice recipe in rice cooker. This one is very easy and very fast to cook it. Sticky rice is the one of most popular in Asian for both desserts and also food. I'm going to show you how to quick cook sticky rice in 30 minutes using a rice cooker. By using the rice cooker, you don't have to pre-soak your rice and use a steamer. This means less work but still amazing result for your next sticky rice. The first step, we gonna measure the rice by we use the ratio of the rice is 5/4 for the water. But in beginning, we need to clean the sticky rice with the water for 3 or 4 times to remove all the dirty or all the starch from the rice. After we wash the rice for 3 or 4 times and then the water is quite clear, and we gonna measure the ratio of the water. As I told you, I did 5/4. Rice is 5 and water is 4. After adding the water and rice into the rice cooker and then cook it. In only 20 minutes you can see the rice, sticky rice is ready, and we just use a paddle to fluff up the rice and remove excess moisture. Then let it sit with the lid open for about 2 minutes. This is allow the rice to remove the excess moisture. And now our sticky rice is ready. You can see it's very fast and easy when you don't have time to pre-soak. And I hope you guys give this time for this method. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook.